So the next option that I want to take a look at here is going to help streamline your efforts as you format a document, especially really large documents. We're going to talk about the Format Painter. Now I want to point out that the Format Painter isn't exclusive to Excel. You'll find the same option inside of Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. So what we're about to discuss here is going to benefit you in those other two applications as well. So I hope you're ready for this. The idea of the Format Painter is like copy and paste, but for formatting only. Catch that? Copy and paste, but only for formatting. Take a look. So I've got these headers up here. They're big and bold, blue background, white text. I want to take those headers, the formatting of those headers, and I want to be able to apply them to my min, max, average, and count headers as well. Now I could do this. I could try to remember what did I do to this and then just go down and format these to match. Kind of guess. I made it this blue, they were white, they were bold. What size font was it? And I could try to make all of those formatting choices down here as well, do it manually. But that takes some time and I got to remember what I did. Rather than that, I'll just copy the formatting and paste it someplace else. Take a look. So I'm going to select one of my headers up here, like bills, cell A4. That's the example. That's where I want to copy the formatting from. So with that selected, I'll go to my Home tab. I'm going to go into the Clipboard section, and there's something that looks like a little paintbrush. This is the Format Painter. So I'll click on that, activate it. You can see I get the little marching ants like I would if I was copying, and my cursor's got a little paintbrush next to it now. Now I'm going to go click on Min. Click. And I've now copied the formatting from A4 down to A12. Very simple. This is highly effective, especially you got larger documents where you need to go through and format. Just copy the formatting from one location to a new location. Try it out. And again, this features not only Excel, but Word and PowerPoint as well. I really like it inside of Word. A really effective way to copy formatting all over the place. And this works across worksheets, across workbooks, not just one worksheet, but multiple. Again, try it out. Select bills, grab the Format Painter, and click someplace else. Copy and paste for formatting.